Numbers up to 9999. Understanding 4-digit numbers. We have already learned that 100 is the smallest and 999 is the largest 3-digit numbers. Now, let us learn about 4-digit numbers. When we add 1 to 999, we get 1000. 1000 is a 4-digit number. We know that 10 ones is equal to 110 and 10 tens is equal to 100. Similarly, 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. 10 hundreds. 1000. Numbers from 1001 to 9999. Let us learn 4-digit numbers. 1001. 1000 plus 1. 1001. 1002. 1000 plus 2. 1002. 1003. 1000 plus 3. 1003. 1004. 1000 plus 4. 1004. 1009. 1000 plus 9. 1009. 1010. 1000 plus 10. 1010. 1020. 1000 plus 20. 1020. 1030. 1000 plus 30. 1030. 1040. 1000 plus 40. 1040. 1050. 1000 plus 50. 1050. 2011. 2000 plus 11. 2011. 3032. 3000 plus 32. 3032. 4043. 4000 plus 43. 4043. 5054. 5000 plus 54. 5054. 7076. 7000 plus 76. 7076. 8099. 8000 plus 99. 8099. 9999. 9000 plus 999. 9999. 1001. 1002. 1003. 1004. 9999 are all 4-digit numbers. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number and 9999 is the largest 4-digit number. Writing and reading 4-digit numbers. Reading 4-digit numbers. Let us learn how to read 4-digit numbers. Example. Find out the number formed by the given blocks. 3000. 500. 30. 6. Solution. We have 3 thousands, 500s, 3 tens and 6 ones. The number formed here is 3536. It is read as 3536. Writing 4-digit numbers. To write a 4-digit number, we need one more place to the left of the hundreds place in the place value chart. This new place is known as the thousands place. We write 1000 as. Example 1. Write the given 4-digit numbers in the place value chart. A. 7234. B. 6845. C. 9483. Solution. A. 4327. B. 5486. C. 3849. Example 2. Find out the number represented by the blocks. Write the number in the place value chart. 2000. 300. 70. 5. Solution. We have 2000s, 300s, 7 tens and 5 ones. The number is 2375. Successor and predecessor. Successor. The number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. To To find the successor of any number, we add 1 to it. Predecessor. The number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. To find the predecessor of any number, we subtract 1 from it. Predecessor minus 1. Successor plus 1. The successor of 1000 is 1001 and the predecessor of 1000 is 999. Example 1. Write the successor of 1353. Solution. We have to add 1 to a number to get its successor. Therefore, 1353 plus 1 equals 1354. The successor of 1353 is 1354. Example 2. Write the predecessor of 3486. Solution. We subtract 1 from a number to get its predecessor. Therefore, 3486 minus 1 equals 3485. The predecessor of 3486 is 3485. Place value and face value. Place value. Place value of a digit is the value of the digit in a number according to its position or place. Place. Thousands, th. Hundreds, h. Tens, t. Ones, o. Value. 1000, 100, 10, 1. Example 1. Find the place value of the digit 5 in each of the following numbers. A. 3510. B. 7858. C. 5402. D. 1935. Solution. A. In 3510, 5 is at the hundreds place. So, its place value is 5 hundreds or 500. B. In 7858, 5 is at the tens place. So, its place value is 5 tens or 50. C. In 5402, 5 is at the thousands place. So, its place value is 5 thousands or 5000. D. In 1935, 5 is at the ones place. So, its place value is 5 ones or 5. Example 2. Find the place value of each digit in 8312. Solution. 2 ones or 2. 110 or 10. 300s or 300. 8000s or 8000. Face value. Face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. In 6789, face value of the digit 6 is 6, 7 is 7, 8 is 8 and 9 is 9. Example, write the face value of each digit in 8541. Solution, in 8541, face value of the digit 8 is 8, 5 is 5, 4 is 4 and 1 is 1. Expanded form and standard form. A number can be represented in its expanded form as well as in its standard form. In the expanded form, the number is written as the sum of the place values of its digits. Standard form of a number is obtained by adding the place value of each digit. Let us consider a 4-digit number 3248. Standard form is also known as simplest form. 3000s, 200s, 4 tens, 8 ones. Expanded form is equal to 3000s plus 200s plus 4 tens plus 8 ones or 3000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 8. Standard form of the number 3000s plus 200 plus 40 plus 8 is 3248. Example 1. Write 4000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 2 in its standard form. Solution: 4000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 2. 4000's 900's 5 tens to 1s. Standard form of 4000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 2 equals 4952. Example 2. Write the following numbers in their expanded form. A. 7563. B. 2470. Solution: A. 7563 is equal to 7000s plus 500s plus 6 tens plus 3 ones, or 7000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 3. Expanded form of 7563 is equal to 7000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 3. B. 2470 is equal to 2000s plus 400s plus 7 tens plus 0 ones, or 2000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 0. Expanded form of 2470 is equal to 2000 plus 400 plus 70. Abacus. We have already learned that abacus is a counting tool. We use a 4-rod abacus to represent 4-digit numbers. The rod on the extreme left is for thousands, then hundreds, tens and ones. Example 1. Read the number represented on the abacus. Solution: here, 2 beads are at the ones place, 0 or no beads at the tens place, 2 beads at the hundreds place and 3 beads at the thousands place. Therefore, the number shown on this abacus is 3202. Note: as there are no beads on the tens rod, we will read it as 0. Example 2. Represent the number 4763 on the abacus. Solution: to represent the number 4763 on the abacus, place 3 beads on the ones rod, 6 beads on the tens rod, 7 beads on the hundreds rod and 4 beads on the thousands rod. Comparison of numbers. We know that the symbols greater than, less than, and is equal to are used to compare numbers. If the number of digits is unequal in both the numbers, then the number having more digits is greater. Example 1. Compare 8627 and 847. Solution: 8627 is a 4-digit number and 847 is a 3-digit number. So, 8627 greater than 847. If the number of digits is equal in both the numbers, then we compare the numbers from the extreme left. The number with the greater digit at the same place is the greater number. Example 2. Compare 3527 and 3641 using greater than or less than. Solution: we see that digits at thousands place in both numbers is same but at hundreds place, 6 greater than 5. So, 3527 less than 3641. Example 3. Compare 1238 and 1235 using greater than or less than. Solution: we see that digits at thousands, hundreds and tens places are same but ones place, 8 greater than 5. So, 1238 greater than 1235. Order of numbers. Arranging or writing numbers in an order means arranging them in ascending, increasing, order or descending, decreasing, order. Ascending order. When we arrange the numbers starting from the smallest to the greatest, it is known as ascending order or increasing order. Look at the animals shown below with number cards. They are standing in ascending or increasing order. 6748, 7,538, 8,723, 9,873. Example: arrange the given numbers in ascending order: 7,800, 5,300, 8,800, 6,400, 9,600. Solution: 5,300 less than 6,400 less than 7,800 less than 8,800 less than 9,600. Descending order. When we arrange the numbers starting from the greatest to the smallest, it is known as descending order or decreasing order. Look at the animals shown below with number cards. They are standing in descending or decreasing order. 9,873, 8,723, 7,538, 6,748. Example: arrange the given numbers in descending order: 9,651, 3,343, 6,376, 3,014, 7,542. Solution: 9,651 greater than 7,542 greater than 6,376 greater than 3,343 greater than 3,014. Even and odd numbers. Even numbers. Any number that can be exactly divided by 2 is called an even number. Even numbers always have 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 at the ones place. For example, 452, 896, 3290, 6554, 4598, etc. Odd numbers. Any number that cannot be exactly divided by 2 is called an odd number. Odd numbers always have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at the ones place. For example, 123, 871, 3299, 6555, 4597, etc. Example: list even and odd numbers from the following numbers: 5,471, 6,570, 9,802, 6,547, 1,224, 9,853, 4,578, 2,007. Solution: even numbers: 6,570, 9,802, 1,224, 4,578. Odd numbers: 5,471, 6,547, 9,853, 2,007. Forming the greatest and the smallest numbers. We can form the greatest and the smallest number using the given digits by arranging them in descending and ascending order, respectively. Forming numbers without repetition of digits. Example: form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using 4, 2, 7 and 5 only once. Solution: we have digits 4, 2, 7 and 5. To form the greatest number, we arrange the digits in decreasing order. 7 greater than 5 greater than 4 greater than 2. So, the greatest number is 7,542. To form the smallest number, we arrange the digits in increasing order. 2 less than 4 less than 5 less than 7, so the smallest number is 2,457. Forming numbers with repetition of digits. Example 1. Form the greatest 4-digit number using the digits 5 and 6. Repeat the digits only once. Solution: to write the greatest number, First write the digits in descending order. 6 greater than 5. So, 6 is the bigger number. As the digits can be repeated only once, we will write 6 at the thousands place and hundreds place. Now, we are left with the digit 5. As 5 is the next bigger number, we will write 5 at the tens place and ones place. The greatest number that we get is 6655. Example 2. Write the smallest 4-digit number using 2 and 3. Repeat the digits only once. Solution. To write the smallest number, first write the given digits in ascending order. 2 less than 3. So, 2 is the smaller number. As the digits can be repeated only once, we will write 2 at the thousands place and the hundreds place. As 3 is the next smaller number, we will write 3 at the tens place and the ones place. The smallest number that we get is 2233. Rounding off numbers. Let us learn how to round off 4-digit numbers. Rounding off to the nearest tens. Rule 1. If the digit at the ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, less than 5, then we will write 0 at the ones place and let the digits at the other places, tens, hundreds and thousands, remain the same. Rule 2. If the digit at the ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, more than or equal to 5, then we will write 0 at the ones place and add 1 to the digit at the tens place. The digits at the hundreds place and the thousands place change accordingly if needed after adding 1 to the digit at the tens place. Example. Round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. A. 1274. B. 3766. Solution. A. In the number 1274, the digit at the ones place is 4. As 4 is less than 5. So, 1274 rounded off to the nearest tens is 1270. B. In the number 3766, the digit at the ones place is 6. As 6 is greater than 5. So, 3766 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 3770. Rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Rule 1. If the digit at the tens place is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, less than 5, then we will write 0 at the tens and ones place and let the digits at the hundreds place and the thousands place remain the same. Rule 2. If the digit at the tens place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, more than or equal to 5, then we will write 0 at the tens and ones place and add 1 to the digit at the hundreds place. We write the digit at the thousands place accordingly, if needed after adding 1 to the digit at the hundreds place. Example. Round off the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. A. 5312. B. 3862. C. 9852. Solution. A. In the number 5312, the digit at the tens place is 1. As 1 is less than 5. So, 5312 rounded off to the nearest hundreds is 5300. B. In the number 3862, the digit at the tens place is 6. As 6 is more than 5. So, 3862 rounded off to the nearest hundreds is 3900. C. In the number 9852, the digit at the tens place is 5. As the digit is 5. So, 9,850 to round it off to the nearest hundred is 9,900. Rounding off to the nearest thousands. Rule 1. If the digit at the hundreds place is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, less than 5, then we write 0 at the hundreds, tens and ones place and let the digit at the thousands place remain the same. Rule 2. If the digit at the hundreds place is 5, 6, 7 or 8 or 9, more than or equal to 5, then write 0 at the hundreds, tens and ones place and add 1 to the digit at the thousands place. Example. Round off the following numbers to the nearest thousands. A. 4,342. B. 7,982. C. 6,544. Solution. A. In the number 4,342, the digit at the hundreds place is 3. As 3 is less than 5. So, 4,342 rounded off to the nearest thousands is 4,000. B. In the number 7,982, the digit at the hundreds place is 9. As 9 is more than 5. So, 7,982 rounded off to the nearest thousands is 8,000. C. In the number 6,544, the digit at the hundreds place is 5. As the digit is 5. So, 6,544 rounded off to the nearest thousands is 7,000.